Hi, my name is Chris Palmer. Today we're going to talk about how to square up lumber on the joiner and table saw. For quality woodworking, you want to start with really square lumber. The way that you square it up is on the joiner. You square one side so it's perfectly straight, and then you put that side against the fence of your table saw. That will straighten up the other side for you. The first thing you want to do is make sure your joiner fence is perfectly square to the table. Just hold your square up there. You might as well do it right where the cutter head is going to touch the wood, and make your adjustments so that's nice and square. Your table is set just a little bit lower than the outfeed table, so when you push the wood across the cutter head, it will remove anything that is a little bit out of straight for you. You want to put the concave side of the board down. So basically, I have a curve, a subtle curve that's going this way. So I'm going to keep my wood pressed tight against the fence, push it through without too much downward pressure. Let the gravity of the wood take care of that. Push it all the way through the outfeed table, being very conscious of the cut zone here with your fingers. There's push blocks you can use. Also, a push stick is a good idea. If your finger ever slipped off the wood and into the cutter head, that would obviously be bad news. A couple passes over the joiner, and if you want, you can mark the jointed face, and now you run all your wood through the joiner, and now the jointed face goes against the fence on the table saw, and that'll square up the opposite side for you. And here's what it looks like. So now you have this nice straight face. Run this through the table saw with your jointed edge on the fence, and you have a board that's nice and square and ready to cut. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Palmer. That's how you square up lumber.